Now, your first alert weather with forecaster Ido Walker.
Welcome back, folks. It is starting to turn out to be a breezy day throughout the Snake River Plain. Here's a live look at your Idaho Falls Skycam that is moving back and forth, but we also have cloud cover still with us, and the cloud cover will be hanging around for a couple of more days. Let's go ahead and check on your current temperatures, your current conditions, though, right now in Idaho Falls. It is 44 degrees right now, mostly cloudy, as you can see here in your Skycam, but winds coming out of the south at 19 miles per hour. We still have pretty unsettled weather, and that's going to continue for the next couple of days, and also it'll continue our probability of seeing some shower activity, but we do have a break coming. I'll show you when with your Vipercast computer model here in just a moment. Here's a look at Viper radar. We do have some showers right now into the eastern Magic Valley highlands and also into portions of the lower Snake River Plain. Let's go ahead and zoom in here, and I'll show you the green is just some rain, and then the yellows and the reds are how intense the rain is, and then we have some white here at the tops of some of our mountains, and that is some snow. Some of it a rain-snow mix, as you can tell. Right there, just to the southeast of Rupert, the mountains there dealing with a rain-snow mix in the pink. As we head over into the central mountains, so where we definitely want the snow, we are getting a few puffs of snow moving through. Looks like Mackey, you're just barely getting missed by some of this snow, but you may be getting a few flurries here. Let's go ahead and check in, though, on the rest of your conditions across the area. First off, temperatures 43 at the airport in Rexburg, 44 in Idaho Falls, 44 in Blackfoot. Ketchum right now right at freezing, 34 in Salmon and 30 in West Yellowstone. Checking in on your winds, though, they have really started to crank up. 11 miles per hour in Rexburg, 15 in Blackfoot, and there you go, 21 in Pocatello. Plus, we do have some breezy conditions out towards the east. 14 mile per hour winds in Driggs coming out of the south. Southerly winds also in Jackson at 18. Let's go ahead and move on over now to your satellite image. We are still seeing the jet stream drop right below the gem state, and so that's allowing for this unsettled weather. Plus, we do have one minor disturbance there. We have still this disturbance moving up to the northeast, and that's why we'll continue the possibility of seeing some snow for the next couple of hours. Let's move on over to Vipercast computer model. You notice we saw lots of cloud cover. The pink there is an indication of we're going to see a rain-snow mix, so that's just going to be to the highlands east of Afton, and then we see the gray. That's where we're going to see some snow. As I put this into motion, we are going to start to move into 5 p.m. It's starting to clear out just a little bit throughout the valley for your evening commute, but the mountains and highlands will continue that threat of seeing some snow for later tonight. For tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., I've stopped the clock. It looks like we are going to be fairly dry, so it should be a pretty good morning commute. But as we head into Thursday, we have some more energy on the way. As I put this into motion again, this disturbance pushes in closer and closer into the gem state, and then finally could bring us some snow showers by Wednesday, 5 p.m. into the central mountains, and this is going to continue spreading throughout the area on Thursday. Let's go ahead and check in now on your temperatures across the region. First off, in the central mountains today, 44 in Chalice, 45 in Salmon, about 37 in Stanley. A light breeze for this afternoon, occasional wind gusts around 20 miles per hour. And I talked about this morning, the lower Snake will be dealing with winds about 15 to 25 miles per hour, which we're getting right now, and over to the rest of the valley, also going to be pretty breezy for today. Daytime highs in the mid to upper 40s. Now for the northeast, it's going to be cool enough there to support some snow showers, mainly for today. 42 in Ashton, 40 in Jackson, 45 in Rexburg. Moving over to the southeast, this is where we could see a rain-snow mix. Looks like 39 in Soda Springs, 41 in Montpelier. Moving over now to your extended forecast. Here's a look at Blackfoot. Temperatures are going to stay into the 40s the next several days, and we'll continue a slight threat of seeing some moisture here as we head into the weekend. Here's a look at your Rexburg 8-day forecast. Looks like 45 today. Tomorrow around 44. So much of the same for tomorrow. You can get more weather at our website, localnews8.com, and coming up in a couple minutes, I'll have the rest of your 8 days. Dan and Kylie?
All right, thanks, Ido. Coming up after the break, we're taking you overseas where it was another deadly day in Iraq. We'll tell you who's behind these latest attacks.
Plus, scientists are heading to jail, but the reason why, it might shock you. We'll be right back.
Get First Alert weather anytime, on demand. Log on to local